Learning a new language can be a challenging and time-consuming task, but with the right techniques, you can make significant progress in a short amount of time. The key to mastering English is to focus on the most important aspects of the language and use them consistently. The most effective way to learn any language is by immersing yourself in it. This means surrounding yourself with English speakers, watching movies in English, listening to songs, and reading books, all in English. Immersion helps your brain to adapt to the language and pick up new words and phrases naturally. English has thousands and thousands of words, but only a small percentage of them are used regularly. As a beginner, learning the most common words will give you a solid foundation to build upon. You can find a list of the most common 1,000 words online, and there are many apps that teach you vocabulary in a fun and engaging way. English grammar can be complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Focus on learning the basics first, such as verbs, tenses, and sentence structure. Once you have a good understanding of the basics, you can start to learn more complex grammar rules. Practice makes perfect, and this is especially true when it comes to learning a new language. And the more you practice, the faster you will improve. One of the best ways to improve your English is to find a language partner. This can be a native English speaker who wants to learn your language, which is something that I did, or another English learner at a similar level. A language partner can help you practice speaking and provide feedback on your progress. Remember, the fastest way to learn English is to immerse yourself in the language. Focus on the most important aspects and practice consistently. With these tips, you'll be speaking English fluently in no time. Trust me.